Let's be brutally honest, most people don't buy cars because they need them. They buy cars because they want to look richer, cooler, or smarter than they really are. And SUVs? They're the ultimate trap. They lure people in with shiny designs, fancy names, and promises of status. But under the hood, many of them are nothing more than overpriced liabilities. And here's the dark truth. The manufacturers know this. They deliberately design certain SUVs to target people who don't think twice, who buy with their ego instead of their brain. These are the models that bleed your wallet dry, collapse in value, and make you look like the kind of person who brags about their car only for everyone else to laugh behind your back. If you've ever wondered why some SUVs get mocked endlessly while others become legends, it's because smart buyers see through the scam, while the rest get played like fools. Today, I'm exposing the 5 SUVs only stupid people buy. And if you own one, you might want to ask yourself a very uncomfortable question. Did you buy a car, or did you buy a mistake? 1. Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass fools people with the Jeep badge, but it's not a real off-roader. It's underpowered, overpriced, and the maintenance costs hit harder than the potholes it can't handle. People buy it to look adventurous, but in reality, it's just a city car wearing a fake rugged mask. 2. Mitsubishi Outlander. The Outlander is the SUV of people stuck in the past. Outdated interiors, sluggish drive, and rock-bottom resale value. Buyers think they're saving money, but really, they're locking themselves into a 2010 driving experience. It's value for money, only if you don't value your money. 3. Nissan Kicks. The Kicks is all show, no go. Weak engine, cheap plastics, and rattles after a couple of years. It's the SUV equivalent of fake designer clothes. Buyers think they're being different and stylish, but everyone else just sees through the gimmick. 4. Ford EcoSport. The EcoSport was marketed as trendy and efficient, but Ford literally abandoned it in many markets. That means bad support, terrible resale, and owners left stranded. If you bought this, you didn't get an SUV, you got an orphan on wheels. 5. Toyota Fortuner. Overpriced trims. Yes, it's reliable. Yes, it's tough. But the overpriced Fortuner trims are a scam. People pay luxury money for truck-like comfort and stiff rides. It's the SUV of those who mistake flexing for smart buying when in reality, they just overpaid for a dressed-up workhorse. And there you have it, 5 SUVs that are less about smart engineering and more about smart marketing. Now here's the uncomfortable truth. If you own one of these, you've got 2 choices. You can get defensive, scream in the comments about how my SUV is different, and try to justify the thousands you've already sunk into it. Or you can admit that maybe, just maybe, the car industry played you like a fiddle. Because remember, manufacturers don't design these models for intelligent buyers. They design them for people who buy with ego, with impulse, with zero long-term thinking. But now, I want to hear from you. Which of these SUVs do you think deserves the hate? And more importantly, what's the dumbest car purchase you've ever seen someone make? Drop it in the comments, roast away, and let's see which side you're really on. The smart buyers or the suckers?